Horrifying Moment. How Ukrainian troops drones destroyed 15 tanks and 33 armored vehicles in 2 days. Russia lost at least 15 tanks and 33 armored vehicles in about 2 days as it launched a major assault on a strategic village, analysts said. OSINT Technical, a prominent X account run by a person affiliated with the Center for Naval Analyses, said on Thursday that Russia had taken significant losses in the fight for Avdiivka. It added that they accounted for roughly a battalion tactical group worth of vehicle losses. OSINT Technical said the footage appears to date from Tuesday and Wednesday, with the conditions of many of them appearing to be consistent with the current weather and foliage. Russia launched its assault on Tuesday with 3 motorized rifle brigades, Ukraine said. It's one of Russia's biggest attacks in months. Other groups monitoring Russia's invasion of Ukraine gave similar assessments of Russia's recent losses there. Washington-based think tank, the Institute for the Study of War ISW, said on Thursday that geolocated footage indicates that Russian forces have likely lost at least a battalion tactical groups, BTGs, worth of armored vehicles in offensive operations around Avdiivka. And Ukrainian military analysts estimated that Russia lost at least 36 vehicles in Avdiivka over just 2 days, the Telegraph reported. Footage shared by the Shadow of Ukraine Telegram channel shows Russian vehicles being hit. The ISW said it geolocated the footage, and the vehicles were near Avdiivka. Ukraine has not stated a total vehicle loss for Russia in Avdiivka in recent days, but both officials and units fighting there have confirmed a strong Russian push to try to retake the village. Ukraine's 110th Separate Mechanized Brigade told Insider there is heavy fighting in the area. The country regained control of Avdiivka in September in one of its bigger wins during its counteroffensive. Vitaly Barabash, the head of Avdiivka's administration, called Russia's new push there the largest-scale offensive action in our sector since the full-fledged war began. Ukraine's 79th Separate Amphibious Assault Brigade said it was suppressing Russia's attacks, while describing Russia as having significantly increased its pressure there. The General Staff of the Armed Forces of Ukraine said on Thursday that Russia was continually trying to break through its defenses in Avdiivka, but with no success. It said that 68 Russian tanks and 93 armored vehicles were destroyed by Ukraine in 48 hours up until 10 a.m. on Friday, but did not give a breakdown of where those losses took place. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky on Thursday highlighted Avdiivka as the scene of some of the most intensive fighting. He said brigades there have already destroyed hundreds of occupiers' armored vehicles, but did not give a time period for the losses. As of Thursday, geolocated footage showed Russia had made small advances to Avdiivka's northwest, south, and west, but didn't present an immediate threat to Ukraine's forces, who appeared to be slowing Russia, the ISW said. Russian forces have lost 810 fighters, 12 tanks, and 24 artillery systems in a single day, according to Kyiv, as Russia's high rate of losses shows few signs of slowing. Moscow has now lost a total of 295,510 soldiers in the 20 months since the Kremlin launched its invasion of Ukraine, Kyiv's military said in an update on Tuesday. Russia has also lost a total of 5,105 tanks and 7,081 artillery systems, according to Ukraine's general staff. Throughout the war effort, Russian personnel and equipment losses are thought to have been high, and Western analysts broadly agree with Ukraine's tallies. Kyiv has also taken tough hits to its cache of military equipment and lost many soldiers in the grueling war of attrition. Ukraine has lost 182 tanks and armored combat vehicles since February last year, Russia's defense ministry said on Monday. Ukrainian forces have also lost 6,853 field artillery and mortar guns, Moscow added. Newsweek cannot independently verify either tally, and has reached out to Russian and Ukrainian officials for comment via email. Both Moscow and Kyiv are tight-lipped about their own losses, rarely nodding to their own casualty counts or how much equipment has been destroyed. It is very difficult to determine casualties in an ongoing conflict, since both sides will try to keep the data secret and inflate the number of adversary casualties. Marina Miron, a postdoctoral researcher in the Department of War Studies at King's College London, UK.